Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to see how we can install Linux on your desktop or laptop. So basically if you have already installed Windows on your desktop or laptop, what you can do is you can install this Oracle virtual box. Okay, this is a virtualization tool. I have installed it on my laptop and I'm going to open this for you. So it is already open. So now we are going to install Centos 6 version 6, and in the next video I'm going to tell you how to install Centos 7. So let's start the installation. So first thing is we have to click on new. Okay, so I am giving Centos 6 version 6. Okay, and click on next. The required amount of RAM, I think 1 GB should be fine, and create a virtual hard disk. You can click on create, and the type of the hard disk, it should be VDI, so that is fine, and dynamically allocated. So here the virtual disk, the virtual machine hard disk, I am giving 10 GB of size. So I am clicking on create. Now the virtual machine is created. So on this VM virtual box, so what you should do is, once you created the VM, just go to system and change this pointing device to USB tablet. So this will not have the cursor issue. Okay, so while doing the installation, while moving the cursor inside the virtual machine, you will not have the issue. So that's why I am doing this. I faced the issue before. So now I am just guiding you that you can do this setting so that you will not face the issue. Then let's click on start. So I'm going to select the ISO image. So I have already the ISO image with me. So what I will do is I will upload the video description where you can download the ISO image. Okay, so for both Centos 6 and 7. So the file size will be around 3 GB, 3.5 GB and 4.5 GB, I guess. So you can select, you see the file name. Okay, so just download this file, and then I'm clicking on Centos 6. I'm clicking on start. Let's get it to the full screen mode. Okay, so you are getting these options: install or upgrade an existing system, install system with basic video driver, rescue install system, boot from local drive, memory test. Okay, so we are going to use the first option to install the okay, we are going to get the installation screen now. Okay, so first thing is we are getting an option to test the ISO image. So that is not required. If you want, you can test, it will take some time. So probably that is not required for me. So what I am doing is skipping this test. Okay, so it has found the local installation media, that is our ISO image. Now it is going to run the installation. So we are getting the graphical console here. So we will click on next. Okay, we are going to select the language. Next thing is you are going to select the keyboard. Okay, so just use English, and then you click on basic storage devices. That will be the default, so you don't have to change anything. You can discard any data because this is a virtual disk which you have created, so nothing should be there. So what I'm doing is I'm giving the host name for this server as Centos 6. Okay, so I'm going to configure network here itself. So this is our ETH0 is our network interface card. So I'm going to edit that. Go to IPv4 settings. It is in DHCP in the sense it will take an IP automatically. So what I'm going to do is I'm clicking on manual and I'm going to create one IP. So it is 192.168.56.2. okay, so I'm clicking on OK and close. Clicking on next. So what I can do is I'm selecting Kolkata, Asia, and click on next. Root password. So this is the administrative password. Okay, I am setting for the root user. So I set the password. I click on next. So you can select this option, replace existing Linux system. There is nothing existing, so I'm just selecting this option to install the operating system. You can click on next. You can click on write changes to disk. You don't have to worry. See, it is creating all the file systems. in LVM. You can see the root, swap file system, everything is being created. Okay, so now while clicking on write changes to disk, you don't have to worry because it is a virtually created hard disk, so nothing will be there. It is just formatting the disk, okay, to install this OS. So now we are going to click on the basic server version. So the required packages for this basic server, it will be automatically taken from the ISO image and it will be installed. So what you can do is you can click on the basic server version and click on next. So this will check the dependencies, if there is any the packages which is going to install on this virtual machine, on this OS. So it will check for the dependency packages. So once it is resolved, it will start the installation process. So it has started the installation process. It is going to install these packages. So see, there are around 650 packages which is going to install. It should take some time, so let us wait. Okay, okay, the package installation is completed. Now it is installing the bootloader. So bootloader installation is also done, and CentOS installation is complete. Now we are going to reboot this virtual machine. Okay, so I am rebooting it. Okay, now we got the kernel. So we have only one kernel on this operating system installed. Kernel is nothing but the core of the operating system. Okay, so without kernel, OS will not be able to boot. Okay, so I am clicking on enter. So it is now booting. So if you press F2, it will show you what is running in the background. What is the OS is booting, right? So it will show you what is doing in the background. So it is all checking the file systems, and it is starting the related services on this server. So once it is up, we are going to log into this virtual machine. Okay, so it has booted up. So now we are going to log in as root. Okay, see, we got the session. So all the required file system is created. Root file system, it has given 8.3 GB of size, and remaining boot file system, it is given for 500 MB. Okay. Okay. So that's all for today's session. We have successfully installed CentOS 6. In the next video, I'm going to show you how we can install CentOS 7. Okay. So thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please share and subscribe. Thank you.